Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we're diving into the fabulous world of 3D printers. On my left, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, or, as I like to call it, the Flashy 5. And on my right, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, aka the Neptune Nifty. So let's see which one of these bad boys deserves a spot on your desk. First up, let's talk speed. The Flashy 5 boasts a travel speed of up to 600 millimeters per second. That's faster than my grandma on Black Friday. Meanwhile, the Neptune Nifty cruises at 500 millimeters per second. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't that slower? Well, technically, yes, but Neptune Nifty's got a trick up its sleeve with accelerations up to 12,000 millimeters per square second. It's like a rocket, just not the kind that explodes, hopefully. Next, let's talk size. The Flashy 5 has a pretty decent build volume, but the Neptune Nifty is like that friend who always orders the large popcorn at the movies. With a build volume of 12.59 inches x 12.59 inches x 15.15, it's practically begging you to print life-sized action figures of yourself. I mean, who doesn't want a mini-me? Print quality time. The Flashy 5 offers dual fan nozzles and vibration compensation, ensuring your prints are smoother than a jazz saxophonist in a velvet suit. But wait, the Neptune Nifty counters with pressure advancing, input shaping, and sensors on the X and Y axes. It's like having a personal trainer for your prints, minus the awkward small talk. Ease of use is a biggie. The Flashy 5 has one-click automatic printing and a mobile app for remote monitoring. It's like having a butler for your printer. Jeeves, start the print! Meanwhile, the Neptune Nifty offers multiple connection options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN. So whether you're a tech wizard or someone who still thinks Wi-Fi is black magic, Neptune Nifty's got your back. Extruder and nozzle showdown. The Flashy 5 has a high-flow 32 cubic millimeters per second nozzle and can warm up to 200 degrees Celsius in 35 seconds. It's the Usain Bolt of heating up, but the Neptune Nifty is no slouch either. With a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle and a 5.2:1 reduction ratio direct drive extruder. It's like having a flamethrower and a Swiss watch in one. Last but not least, customer support. Flashy 5 offers lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and a 12-hour response service. It's like having your mom on speed dial. Neptune Nifty, on the other hand, doesn't boast as much in this department, so you might be on your own if things go south. Choose wisely, my friends. Both the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus have received their fair share of praise and critique. Reviewers love the FLASHFORGE for its ease of setup, user-friendly interface, and reliable performance, though some mention it can be a bit loud. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is celebrated for its excellent print quality and large build volume, but does require more hands-on setup and maintenance. So, there you have it. Whether you're Team Flashy 5 or Team Neptune Nifty, both of these printers have their unique perks and quirks. Let us know in the comments which one you think takes the crown. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.